Hi, and welcome to Sequoia Sake's YouTube channel. My name is Olivia, and I am the daughter of this family-run sake brewery right here in San Francisco. Today I'm here to talk about sake kasu, the byproduct of sake making. In this video, I will be covering the basics of it, so what it is, why people love it, how to use it, and most importantly, where you can get some. Hint, it's at our brewery. So if you like what you see, hit the like button, leave a nice comment, that'll be nice, and subscribe, because it all really helps us. All right, let's jump right in. So, this is sake kasu, and as I just said, it is the byproduct of sake making. So to better understand what sake kasu is, we need to first talk about how sake is made. Sake is made from rice, water, and two different kinds of microorganisms. One is a type of yeast, and one is a type of mold. This is what a sake fermentation tank looks like towards the end of its brewing process. And this is what the sake we drink looks like. Do you see the difference? There's actually one crucial step in between these two, and that is pressing. Pressing, as the name suggests, is the process of pressing out the clear liquid from the mash of fermenting rice. Whatever left is sake kasu. Sake kasu has been treasured in Japanese cooking for as long as sake has been around, so over 1700 years. And in recent years, sake kasu has been making its way into skincare products as well. So why do people love sake kasu so much? Well, nutritionally speaking, how about we start there? Sake kasu is rich in B vitamins, protein, enzymes, dietary fiber, and peptides, which makes it good for your whole body. Regular consumption of sake kasu has been linked to lowering the bad cholesterol, as they call it, and improving your immune system, diversifying your gut microbiome, reducing allergy symptoms, and even preventing diseases such as diabetes, Alzheimer's, osteoporosis, hypertension, depression, stomach, and colon cancer. Sounds pretty amazing, right? Well, the true magic of sake kasu is not in its health benefits, but what it can do for your food. The amino acids in sake kasu can add a lot of umami to your food. And you know Japanese people are obsessed with umami because we came up with the whole word that describes this delicious savory flavor, which is now internationally recognized as a part of the 5 basic tastes, along with saltiness, sweetness, sourness, and bitterness. The last one is umami. The residual alcohol in sake kasu also plays a vital role in making your food delicious. Alcohol is really cool, from a chemistry standpoint, of course, because it can bond to both water and fat, which means when you cook with alcohol, you can extract and dissolve more flavor molecules than you would by cooking in water or oil alone, adding much more depth to your food. The last major player when it comes to sake kasu in cooking is enzymes. Enzymes, which help break down complex molecules in food, are particularly useful when it comes to pickles and marinades, because enzymes take a bit of a time to work. Sake kasu is rich in 2 kinds of enzymes. One is a type that breaks down starch into sugar, and the other one is a type that breaks down protein into amino acids, which, as we just covered, is responsible for the umami flavor. And everyone loves umami. In other words, sake kasu can make your veggies sweeter and your meat taste richer. One last thing I have to say, because sake kasu is amazing, is that sake kasu has this creamy texture. And when it is cooked through, it gives off this rich, almost cheesy flavor, which works really well for vegan recipes. I've had amazing vegan mayonnaise, vegan cheese crackers, and even vegan chocolate mousse, all made with sake kasu. And by the way, those recipes, they're on our website. Go check it out. Yeah. So, have I convinced you should be using sake kasu in your daily cooking? Oh, you don't cook? Well, no problem, because sake kasu is great for your skin too. It's been said for ages that those working in sake breweries have the softest, smoothest hands, which unfortunately is not so true in my case, since I only touch it about once a month. But it's true that sake kasu can do wonders for your skin, especially in restoring moisture. Additional benefits include skin brightening by preventing dark spots from forming and minimizing the appearance of scars, evening out the skin tone, fighting acne, and reducing the impact of aging on your skin. The most common way of applying sake kasu on your skin is by mixing a little water with this thing and making a face mask out of it. But it's actually really good for your hands too. In fact, I used to work as a dishwasher with my hands in hot soapy water all day long with no gloves on, and the only thing that healed my hands was my nightly application of sake kasu. So, have I sold you on the benefits of sake kasu? I hope so. And if you would like to support a small family-run business, you can pick some up at our brewery and try it out for yourself. We're also working on selling more through retail and distributors. So check the link up here for the most updated list on where you can get our Sequoia sake kasu. We are currently working on making more videos on how to use sake kasu, but we already have so many amazing recipes on our website, including the classic sake kasu pickles, marinades, as well as ice cream, and plenty of vegan recipes mentioned earlier. So go check that out up here. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, hit the like button. And of course, subscribe if you want to see more content from us. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye!